In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Nifty options in TradingView. Before we get started, let's just briefly discuss why tracking Nifty options might be beneficial if you're interested in India's stock markets. Of course, Nifty 50 is one of the benchmark stock market indices comprising 50 robust companies across several key sectors, and understanding options related to it can open doors to strategic financial opportunities, whether you're hedging or speculating. Jumping right into TradingView, a powerful platform favored by many traders and analysts, the first thing you want to do is locate the symbol search box. It's that little magnifying glass icon tucked in the top left corner of your chart. This is where you'll start your exploration into the world of Nifty options. Clicking on this icon brings up the symbol search interface, allowing you access to a plethora of financial instruments available on the platform. Here, you don't just have to settle with equities. You're diving into the rich pool of indices, currencies, and more. Once you have the symbol search box in front of you, you're going to notice several tabs appear at the top of this drop-down menu. One of these tabs is labeled Options. Switch over to this tab to tailor your search specifically to options rather than other types of instruments. It's crucial to make sure you're in the right category, otherwise you might find yourself buried in all sorts of financial symbols that aren't related to what you are actually looking for. Now, with the Options tab selected, you're set to pinpoint the particular options of interest. Here comes the fun part. Click into the search bar, and right after typing NSE, go ahead and type Nifty. For instance, it should look like this: NSE Nifty. This format is key to narrowing down your search effectively. NSE stands for National Stock Exchange, which is India-based, and this little prefix ensures you're pulling data from the right sources. Adding on Nifty essentially refines the search to hone in on options related to the Nifty 50 index. After you've entered this, TradingView should quickly filter the results for you, displaying all the relevant Nifty options that are available for trading. You can take your time to scan through the different expiries and strike prices listed, selecting the ones that best fit your trading strategies or analysis. So, there you have it, a seamless way to find Nifty options on TradingView. By beginning with the symbol search function, navigating through the correct tabs, and using precise search terms, you're unlocking a world of data that can aid in making informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you become more fluent in navigating TradingView's comprehensive tools. Stay tuned for our next video for more insightful tips, and happy